In the following verse of the Holy Quran, Allah, the Exalted, explains that a person is not judged better than others because of their social status, wealth, or any other worldly thing. Chapter 49 Al-Hujurat, verse 13.
O mankind, indeed we have created you from male and female, and made you peoples and tribes that you may know one another. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you.
What makes a Muslim better than others is their piety. This is when one strives to fulfill the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refrains from his prohibitions and faces destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. A Muslim should therefore never look down on other people believing their worldly possessions makes them better or superior in any way. Unfortunately, many Muslims have adopted this mentality by acting on the cultural practices of non-Muslims by creating castes and brotherhoods. They join families through marriage based on these cultural practices, instead of basing their decision on the teachings of Islam. For example, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned Muslims in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 5090, that a person should not get married for certain reasons, including for the sake of lineage. They should only get married for the sake of piety. Adhering to these made-up cultural practices has caused the divorce rate amongst Muslims to increase over time. Therefore, a Muslim should strive to be better than others through adopting and increasing their piety. But they should never become proud of whatever level they reach, as pride will destroy their piety and it will lead to them to hell. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 265.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.